Thanks, Ange.
Well, on their last day of business until the fall this year, the Supreme Court agreed to hear arguments today on one of President Trump's most controversial acts in office.
This fall, they'll decide whether or not the travel ban executive order is lawful. But the president is calling the move today a victory, tweeting out this afternoon, "Very grateful for the 9-0 decision from the U.S. Supreme Court. We must keep America safe." Our political reporter, Kevin Rader, is here now with what this decision from the Supreme Court means. Kevin?
John, the nation's high court will allow parts of the president's travel ban to go into effect until oral arguments are heard in October. The court is allowing the ban for foreign nationals who lack bona fide relationships with any person or entity in America, such as a job or enrolled as a student. In effect, the justices are saying foreigners with ties or relationships in this country would not be prohibited from entering. But those applying for visas who've never been here or had no family, business, or other ties could be prohibited. Sean Spicer talked about the decision at the White House briefing, where cameras have been banned.
His number one responsibility as commander-in-chief is to keep the American people safe, and that's exactly what this executive order does.
So this decision by the High Court sets the stage for a major decision by the Supreme Court on the scope of presidential power. The court will hear the full case in October, as I've already pointed out. As the administration appeals, lower court rulings that blocked that ban. John?
All right, thank you. Kevin Rader reporting tonight. Now, it was a busy morning of decisions. The Supreme Court also agreed to hear the case of a Colorado cake maker who refused to make a cake for a same-sex couple's wedding. The justices will not hear a case about the right to carry guns in public in California, but they ruled that religious institutions should be eligible to receive public funds for secular purposes.